Hello and welcome to another quick tech tip with the Bearded Tech Guy. In this video, we will be going over how to set up your Amazon voice assistant to be able to control any newer model robot vacuum cleaner by iRobot. This includes the Roomba E5, E6, 690, 890, and 980 series robots, as well as the Roomba i3, i7, and S9 robot vacuum cleaners. This feature can also be used with the Braava Jet M6. I'll include a link in the description below that will include all models that are supported by this skill in case iRobot adds any new models in the future. Having this skill set up will allow for you to use your Amazon voice assistant to do a wide range of things such as start, stop, pause, and resume vacuuming, send your Roomba to its dock, locate your Roomba with an audible sound, make changes to your cleaning schedule, and a variety of other tasks along with actions you can take if you have a Braava Jet M6. You can even have your Roomba i7 or S9 vacuum specific cleaning zones, around objects you have set up in your imprint map, or even use any favorites you have set up in the iRobot app. There are several other voice commands possible, and some commands will not work depending on the model Roomba you have, so I will also include a link in the description below which will have an up-to-date list of all the voice commands you can use to control your Roomba with the Amazon voice assistant. Take note that for this integration to work, you must first set up your Roomba within the iRobot Smart app. Failure to do so will make this skill not work. To set up the integration, you have two different options. The first is through the iRobot app. From within the app, first click on the hamburger menu on the top left-hand corner of the screen. Next, click on Smart Home. From here, click on Connected Accounts and Devices, then click on Amazon. This will open a brief summary of some of the things you can do if you connect your iRobot account with the Amazon Smart Voice Assistant. If you're ready to move forward, click on Connect Amazon. If you have the Amazon Assistant app installed, it will open, asking for you to link your accounts. Otherwise, a browser window will open and ask you to log into your Amazon account before asking to link your accounts. Either way, click on the link button to link iRobot and Amazon together. A confirmation page on whether or not the linking was successful should be displayed in the iRobot Home app. The second method for setting up integration is through the Amazon Assistant app. From within the Amazon Assistant app, click on More at the bottom right hand of the screen. Then click on Skills and Games. Next, click on the magnifying glass on the right hand side of the screen and search for Roomba or iRobot. Then click on the iRobot Home skill. On the new screen that opens, click on Enable to Use. This will bring up a web page for you to log into your iRobot account. Enter in your iRobot account information and then click on Login. This will bring you to a confirmation page indicating the setup has been successful. With iRobot linked with our Amazon Assistant, let's test out a few commands. Ask Bender to start vacuuming.
Okay, here's our robot home. Would you like to vacuum the entire space?
No.
Alright. Tell me one at a time, which areas you'd like Bender to vacuum. Then, say, done, when you're finished.
Laundry room.
Okay, which other area would you like vacuumed?
Done.
Waiting on Bender. Okay, Bender will vacuum the laundry room.
One thing I did discover is that having my two Roombas named similar made voice commands pretty much impossible and actually caused some issues with getting voice commands to work. This forced me to finally come up with a new name for DJ Roomba 2, and after changing its name, my issues went away. So if you have multiple robots in your home, make sure they have their own names to prevent any issues. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up as it helps out the channel immensely. I would also love to know which Roomba you have and how your experience with it has been so far, so let me know in the comments below. Or if you run into any problems setting this integration up, don't hesitate to reach out as well. And if you want additional tech and smart home content like this video, consider subscribing to the channel and enabling notifications to be one of the first to know when I release a new video. Thank you for watching.